Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and in this video we're going to be learning the song Washed by Elevation Rhythm. There it is. We're going to be playing this song in the key of B, which is original key. And if you guys have not already done so, please consider subscribing. It really does mean a lot to me. I'll greatly appreciate it, and thank you guys for getting us all the way to 500 subscribers. It's a blessing really to be able to make videos for you guys and serve you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get in this video. Let's start off with the chords, and then I'll go ahead and do the strumming pattern afterwards. We're going to be playing G shapes, capo on the 4th fret. We're going to start off with your 1/3 or your D over F sharp. So that's how you play your D over F sharp. As you can see right there, you got your bass note, up open, open, and then your middle finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then 2nd to the bottom on the 3rd fret is going to be your ring finger. It should sound like that. D over F sharp, right? So go ahead and play that. You're going to go to your C chord, which is your 4. Okay, and then you're going to go to your 5, which is your D chord. And then you're gonna go into your 6, which is your E minor. Okay, those are your chords. Now this song does have a swing in it, so you're gonna be switching a little bit fast. The 1/3, so your C, right? So make sure you practice that. And then from your D to your E minor, you're gonna do also a fast switch. So again, it's gonna sound like something like this. So that's kind of the strumming pattern. We'll get more into it. Yeah, let's go through this verse 1. You go into your chorus, right? So that is your verse 1. Let's break it down. We're going to be playing, like I said, your 1/3, your D over F sharp. Now the trick is to get your timing right. The way I do it is I do mostly down strumming, right? So the down strumming is going to keep the tempo. So go ahead and copy me there. It's not just simple down strumming like this, okay? The only time you do simple down strumming like that is when you switch to your 2, which is going to be your A minor, right? So towards the end of the verse, you're going to be doing the A minor. And then you're going to go to your C chord. Right? So, love was spilled on Calvary. Right? So on that part is the only time you're gonna be building it, right? Other than that, you're gonna be doing the swing. The swing, all it is just you're switching from one chord to the other. Like basically your 1/3 and 4, your D over F sharp and your C are like close together. There's a space, and then your 5 and 6 are close together, and then there's a space. So that's all the swing is. The way that you keep the tempo, like I said, is you're going to be doing down strumming, but you're going to make sure that you do this pattern right here. So it's a... If you don't notice, what I'm basically doing is there's some down strums that are short, and there's some down strums that are full power, right? Go ahead and do it with the chords, right? So go ahead and keep practicing that until you get something that sounds like that. It might take you a little bit of time to get used to it, but practice makes perfect. So go ahead, and then like I said, at the end of that, you're gonna go building a little bit on that A minor. Right, and then once you finish the verse, you're gonna go ahead and start the chorus on your G, right? So real quick, chorus, that's the verse 1. Moving on to the chorus, right? It's gonna be your chords. It's gonna be your G, your C chord, to your E minor, and to your D chord, which is your 5, right? And it just repeats those chords. So I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood, I've been good as new. Oh hallelujah, I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood, all because of you. Oh hallelujah, I'm free. And you go right back into that swing. So the swing is only going to be on the verses, not on the chorus. On the chorus, you're doing regular strumming, right? So G, right? To your C, to your E minor, to your D. Obviously, and then you switch to your swing, right? I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood. And that's pretty much your strumming pattern. Hopefully you can go ahead and follow along. We're gonna go into your verse 2. We're not gonna go over it. It's the same as verse 1. After verse 2, you're gonna go into your chorus. You're gonna do your chorus twice, and then after your chorus 2, we're gonna go ahead into a vamp, which is just gonna be your G chord, and then you're gonna start the bridge, right? So for example, transition from chorus to the bridge. Oh hallelujah, 'cause you took away my shame and you nailed it to the cross, got me running up the grave. Hallelujah. You're gonna do that bridge 4 times, and then after the bridge, after you do it 4 times, you're gonna go into the tag. It goes, and hallelujah, here I come. Hallelujah, here I come. Hallelujah, here I come. So after that tag, you're gonna go ahead and do a short instrumental. It's the same chords as the same thing as a verse, which is your 1/3. So at the very end, you're gonna do a down chorus once everything drops lower, and you're just gonna do the chorus once. That's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.